Hi and welcome to this video review of Notion, the digital workspace that might just make you forget how to use regular note-taking apps. What if you could combine the best parts of Google Docs, Trello, and Evernote into one super smart tool? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Have you ever felt frustrated jumping between different apps to manage your work and life? Notion solves this by being your all-in-one solution. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife, but instead of tools, you get powerful features for notes, tasks, databases, and team collaboration. And yes, this AI review is excited to show you why millions of users love it. But what makes Notion really special? First, it's built on this clever system of blocks. Every piece of content, text, images, tables, even embedded files, is a block you can move around like digital building blocks. Want to turn your meeting notes into a task list? Just drag and drop. Need to create a beautiful project timeline? A few clicks, and you're done. Here's something cool. Notion's database feature is like spreadsheets on steroids. You can view the same information as a calendar, a kanban board, a table, or a gallery. Imagine tracking your job applications, and with one click, seeing them on a timeline, then switching to a board view to track their status. Pretty neat, right? What about team collaboration? Notion shines here too. You can share pages with specific people, entire teams, or make them public. Real-time editing means no more, "Sorry, who has the latest version?" conversations. Plus, you can comment, assign tasks, and even create team wikis that actually get used. The best part? Notion adapts to you. Are you a student? Use it for class notes and project planning. A writer? Create your content calendar and draft posts. A project manager? Track everything from bug reports to client feedback. The possibilities are endless. But don't just take our word for it. Users rave about how Notion has replaced 5 to 6 different apps in their workflow. Teams report better organization and communication. Some even say they can't imagine working without it anymore. Want to know what's really cool? Notion recently added AI capabilities. Need help writing? Want to summarize a long document? The AI assistant is there to help, making this tool even more powerful. Getting started is simple. The free plan is generous enough for personal use, and paid plans add more features as you need them. The learning curve? Sure, there's one. But it's more like a gentle slope thanks to their excellent templates and guides. Ready to check it out? Visit jimcarter.me and search for Notion to learn more about this fantastic tool. You'll find additional insights, tips, and detailed feature breakdowns to help you make the most of your Notion experience.